Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use ReCraft AI step by step and share why every creative should give it a try. ReCraft is not just another AI tool, it's designed specifically for designers. That means you get high quality editable outfits in SVG, PNG or raster formats, making it perfect for branding, web, and digital products. So, for review, the pro on ReCraft is that it has high quality and consistent icon sets, and also vector and raster export, and it's great for designers. And also it has simple and fast interface. And last one, it AI styles optimized for design workflows. But the contrast is it's limited free tire exports, and sometimes it needs prompt tweaking for consistency, and it's still evolving compared to Photoshop or Illustrator. So to get started, you can just head to the ReCraft AI, sign in. And in here, once you're in the dashboard, you can just tap on create a new project. And after that, you can just pick your design mode, whether it's image, frame, or style, mockup, image set, or you can also import image. So in here, I'm going to just go simple by clicking on image options. And now you can change the style of the image. In here, you can also change whether you want a photorealism, illustration, vector art, icon, or graphic design. In here, I'm going to just go with, let's try vector art. Click on apply, and then you can just type in your prompt in here in the text box. For example, flat style shopping cart icon. I'm going to just go with that. Here you can change the aspect ratio if you want to, and adjust how many image that you want to generate if you already upgrade to the plan. And if you're done, you can just tap on ReCraft in here, and ReCraft will generate the versions instantly. And here it will generate 2 images based on the settings. Let's just wait for the result. Okay, so here it is. This is the first options, and this one is the second one. You can just choose which one that you like. You can also customize and edit it. You can adjust the style in here, the colors. And after that, you can just export the artwork by clicking on this export button, and you can adjust the resolution and also the format in here, whether you want to go with SVG, LOTI, PNG, GPG, PDF, or this one. So I'm going to just go with SVG, click on export, and it will be downloading. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can use ReCraft, the best AI tools for designers that will help you create faster without losing creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.